How to find the serial number or the model number of your computer in Windows 11. So hey guys, if you wish to find the serial number or let's say the model number of your particular computer and you are using the Windows 11 operating system, then this video is for you. So in this video we will be using the CMD or the command prompt to quickly find the model number or serial number of our computer. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is open the CMD or the command prompt. So to open the command prompt, you need to scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and onto the search bar, simply type for CMD. Then under the best match, you might get this option of command prompt. So simply right click on it and click on run as administrator. This will make sure that all of the functions work in our command prompt, and you might need to click yes if a dialog box appears asking for permission. Then once we are inside the command prompt, we have the following commands to get the serial number and model number. The commands are: the command to find the serial number is WMIC BIOS get serial number, and also we have a command that is WMIC CS product get identifying number. Both of these commands will retrieve the same information, that is the serial number. So let us try them. So if I select the first command and then I'm gonna copy this particular command, and then onto my CMD window I will simply paste it, and here you can see that the command has been pasted, that is the WMIC BIOS get serial number. So simply hit the enter button and here you can see that the serial number has been successfully reflected by the command prompt. Moving on to the similar command, that is the WMIC CS product get identifying number. So if I similarly copy it and paste it into my CMD screen, you can see that it has retrieved me exactly the same information as the previous command. So now moving on to the computer model, what you can do is simply copy this particular command, that is the WMICCS product get name, and you can paste it to the CMD panel again and simply hit the enter button and you can see the name or the product of your Windows 11 computer. So that's how easily you can get the serial number and the model name of your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like, tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.